हाय, मैं एस.के. सिन्हा, कोटा, India. Basically, I am teaching for IIT JEE preparation and NEET preparation since last 25 years. And now I am going to introduce a different type of course, Stereochemistry 1. In this part, I will discuss the chiral carbons, the different projection methods, Fischer projection method, as well as dash wedge projection methods. After that, I will go for the RS configuration. For that, first we learn the priority rules according to the CIP rules, Kahanin-Goldberg rules, and then after we will see a number of molecules, how to determine their R and S configuration, and finally we will go for DNL configuration also. The uniqueness of this course is molecular models. I am introducing this course with molecular models. Throughout the course, I will guide the course via models in 3D, so that the students must have a very good understanding of 3D. Basically, the problem is there. The problem of 3D is there in this part. The stereochemistry is purely 3D, and very often the students complain that they did not feel it. And for all those students, this course is for the very, very unique course. And I think after doing this course, one will get the full marks and full understanding of the concept. Not only anyone can get a benefited in this part, stereo part, but also he has the insight, he will develop the insight for other parts also, the molecular structure, the reactions, and so on, so on, so on, so on. Okay? Thank you.